Hey guys, what is up? And today we're here going to be making a plugin tutorial over one of my larger plugins called MC Go, now with multi-arena. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously download it. We're going to get this download. Let's put this on our desktop. Boom. You can close this out now, we won't be needing that. And this download is going to be over the multi-arena version because multi-arena has been much more popular than the other ones. So we're gonna put this one in, and this will be with the default config, and you're gonna need Crackshot for this. I forgot about that. I have to get Crackshot. I have a backup somewhere right here, and we'll also be using the default Crackshot with, actually there's on the main page, I'm going to put my configuration in. I will put my exact configuration of weapons and everything in the description. You guys can go download that. You can download the map I'll be using, which, let's run the server really quickly. You'll be able to download the map that I'm using. So just drag, drop, put it in here. It'll build up the configuration files. So the database, don't worry about this. This is for UUIDs will go right here, and then the names of those UUIDs will go here. This is for later storage when I add the EXP system and the ranking systems. Like, we're gonna add a ranking system just like CSGO to like Silver 1 to Global Elite sort of thing, and maybe we'll add like cool extra ranks or make them configurable so you guys can make your own ranks. So let's go through all these configuration files really quickly. So first we have the config.yml. It's pretty simple. Got the game countdown, before round, all the different kind of countdowns. These are in seconds. This basically should always be set to true, because if you don't have enough players, the game is going to glitch out and it'll probably crash. For the minimum players, you should keep it to 2 or higher depending, but no lower than 2, because if you keep it lower than 2, the game will crash. Round win money, round lose money, it's basically explanatory English please. Rounds to win and rounds to switch. So this is the amount of rounds one side has to have, and this is the amount of rounds one side has to have before they switch. This is the default secondary Python. That's the default weapon. It comes in Crackshot, so you can basically, you don't have to ever change this unless you want custom guns. Default primary, you should always keep this to none, because in CSGO you don't get a default primary. Clear inventory on join, I like to keep this on true, but if you run a server and stuff like that, we will be adding support for inventories to be saved to a file later, but not now. Invisibility on join, I normally keep that on false. Game mode on join, I keep it on 2 because that's adventure mode, so people can't be messing with things or like breaking. Plant bomb bot, I always keep this on quartz. You could put it for like, I don't know, wood, but that's kind of bland. People would find that quickly. Kill player money, 300, and the bomb diffuser material. You should probably keep the bomb diffuser at shears because it's the most, like, it works with the way I've set it up. And for guns, we have the default configuration, which is Python, carbine, and then the diffuser. Now, when you're creating things like the diffuser, or let's say like a flashbang. So let's put the flashbang as a slime ball. I think I have it. Slime underscore. Oh lord, come on, typing ball. All right. No, it's a grenade. It's a grenade. We'll name this grenade, and then the type is grenade. So the name right here, the gun name, can be anything. It could be like, I am awesome. And then the type is what you have to worry about. And slots should never be the same as each other, so I'll probably put this to 7. And grenades cost 300 in CSGO. Alright. The messages, you can edit every single message this entire thing has. This is probably the most confusing that you would have. So this is the teleports system. So you can change the interval of when you want this to run, so you could have it like 9, 10, 9, 8, and then you could like skip all the way down to 1, and that would be teleporting in 1 second, so you'd want to change this to second. And you can do the same thing for the before round, and then it has whether we should use the before round announcer, use title messages, use a teleport announcer, and then just a bunch of messages. Yes. And then for the scoreboard, this is where you can edit all the in-game scoreboards. All the variables are noted on the front page. And yeah, that's about it for the configuration. Let's get into the actual game now. So I'm going to log in on both of my accounts because we have our minimum to 2. So here's my first alt. Keep that right there. I'll put this guy right here. As soon as he logs in. 10 hours later, authentication servers are down. No, they're not. There we go. Alright, so to make a sign, I already have one here because this is normally my testing thing. To make a sign, let's go game mode 1. Shoot, let me all myself. Optiv game mode 1. Let's grab a sign. Oh lord, my typing is amazing right now, you know? Alright, so you just place a sign down, and you can type MCGo sign and then your arena name, but that's not what we should be doing first. First thing we should do, check out the commands. MCGo, so the first thing you should do when you're creating an arena is MCGo create, let's just say test. So our arena is created. Now we need to set the leave location. So this leave location is for every arena, it's not just one arena. So let's just put the leave location MCGo set leave right here, you know, out in the randoms. And then MCGo set lobby, so this is defined with an arena, so boom, this is our lobby, awesome. MCGo, let's go set the terrace location, no, this would be the CT, MC set CT test. And then we go over and fly over here to the terrace location. If you didn't know, this is the map, Dust 2. Set terrace. Oh, did I not type that right? Oh, no, I didn't. Test. Alright, is that it? Oh, yes, the sign. We have to make the sign. So now we can make a sign right here. You just type MCGo sign and then your arena name, so test. Boom, now we have a sign. So this will soon be configurable, but right now it's not. Basically, when I right click this, it'll change to boom. There should be, let me pull up my alt, should be needing 1 now. Yep, click that, and now it is in game. The countdown will start right here unless you have it configured in chat like I did. It'll say it right there, but for now it's in here. So I am going to go run and plant the bomb. So let's go over to our quartz block that we have defined in the config. Got our C4. All of these names on these weapons can also be changed. They're all configurable. And munch. Bomb has been planted. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to get my dude to go defuse it. And note, scoreboard over here, and it also makes a funny noise. It goes a ticking noise. So we right click and click the redstone torch, and boom, it's been diffused. Now I think that is a glitch because you're supposed to diffuse all the redstone torches, not just one. I'll have to figure that out later, but right now I'm not doing a retake on this. So you can also buy the shop, but you can only buy it before the game starts. It's like a before round thing. So let's buy a diffuser and show what happens when we use a diffuser. So let's go plant the bomb again. And also note our money. We have less money because we planted the bomb, but we lost the round. When you lose the round, you only get like 1,200. But since we won the round, you can see on my other guy, we have 3,450, which means we got an extra 1,000 because we diffused and we won the round. Alright, let's go diffuse. And all the messages are editable in, oh, I already said that in the messages file, so boom. Oh, okay, so this is what it's supposed to do in the big one, but I guess it's only working with the diffuser right now. The diffuser makes the inventory 1 row shorter, so instead of like this full inventory, it's only half of it, so right here. Alright, so that is basically it. I hope you understand how to use my plugin now, and I hope you purchase it, because right now we're having a 25% off sale, so it's only $4.99 instead of like $5.99 or $6.99. I don't know. So it's a good deal. It's a humdinger. And happy CS going.